Hindi,
okay.
Okay.
Maganda naman pala
Take two.
Naka-record na. Kasi I pressed the red button na, so it's already taken care of.
Okay.
Go. Ang ganda.
Wait for a while.
Mapayat ka tingnan. Say, I like it. Ang ganda.
Hindi siya natin.
Go.
Ay, mali. Wait lang. Oh, how about a round of applause? Yeah. It's not innovation. Oh, yeah. You look so dumb right now, standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry, please just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show, you really have me going. But now it's time to go, curtains finally closing. That was quite a show, very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. Grab your clothes and get gone. You better hurry up before the sprinklers come on. Talking about girl, I love you, you're the one. This just looks like a rerun. Please, what else stays on? Ooh, and don't tell me you're sorry, cause I'm not. No, you're only sorry you got that. You really had me going, now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing, that was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now.
One bar na lang.
Don't wanna take a bow. Oh, Wendy, award for the best life goes to you, and for making me believe that you could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech out. I want a round of applause. Yeah.
Standing ovation. Oh, yeah.
But you put on quite a show.
Really had me going, now it's time to go. That was quite a show, very entertaining, but it's over.
But it's over now. Shit. Ako lang magawa.
Ako.
Ikaw ginasimple. Ano, pagharap. Harap mo. Hindi, sexy pag likod eh. Pagharap.